Have you ever received a call about a once-in-a-lifetime investment opportunity? Or maybe an email promising to clear your student loan debt overnight? Financial scams are everywhere, waiting to prick your financial bubble. But just like the porcupine has a natural defense against predators, you can develop strategies to protect yourself from financial fraud. Welcome to Nature's Academy, where we learn valuable life lessons from the creatures around us. Today's topic: the porcupine's defense against financial fraud. Protect your hard-earned cash. The porcupine's impressive quills are its first line of defense. Similarly, your best defense against financial scams is awareness. Here's how to sharpen your financial awareness. Be skeptical of too good to be true offers. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't rush into decisions based on promises of instant wealth. Research before you invest. Never invest your hard-earned money without thoroughly researching the company, product, or service. Verify information. Don't trust unsolicited calls, emails, or text messages. Contact the company directly to confirm the legitimacy of any offer. By staying alert and investigating before you invest, you're essentially raising your financial quills against potential scams. Porcupines don't just rely on their quills. They actively defend themselves by standing their ground and sometimes even rattling their quills to deter predators. In the financial world, taking action means: don't share personal information over the phone or email. Legitimate companies won't ask for sensitive information through unsolicited calls or emails. Report suspicious activity. If you suspect a scam, report it to the appropriate authorities so they can warn others. Use strong passwords and secure your accounts. Make it difficult for scammers to access your financial information. By taking proactive steps, you're sending a clear message to financial predators: my money is off limits. Porcupines often live in small groups, providing an extra layer of protection for each other. Similarly, protecting yourself financially is easier when you have a support system. Here are some resources to strengthen your financial herd. Talk to a financial advisor. A qualified professional can help you identify potential scams and develop a sound financial plan. Learn from others. Share your experiences with friends and family, and learn from theirs. There's strength in numbers. Stay informed. Subscribe to reputable financial news sources and websites to stay up to date on the latest scams. By surrounding yourself with knowledge and supportive resources, you create a strong defense network against financial predators. Just like a porcupine roams freely, unbothered by potential threats, you too can achieve financial freedom with a strong defense against fraud. Financial security brings peace of mind and allows you to focus on your goals, whether it's traveling the world, starting a business, or simply enjoying a comfortable retirement. At Nature's Academy, we believe knowledge is power, especially when it comes to protecting your finances. We offer valuable tips inspired by the natural world to help you navigate your financial journey with confidence. Join the Nature's Academy and subscribe to our channel for more animal-inspired financial wisdom. We also love hearing from our viewers. Leave a comment below and tell us about a time you encountered a financial scam. Sharing your experiences can help others stay alert. Thanks for joining us on this financial adventure. Remember, with a little porcupine-inspired awareness and proactive measures, you can build a strong defense against financial scams and secure your path to financial freedom.